So if you want to insert an image into your Pixel Maze Google Sheet, you have two choices. If you go to Insert Image, like we would normally do in any other Google app, you have two choices, image in the cell or image over cells. Now, image over cells is pretty much like we've been doing before. So if you want to upload an image, you can use the camera, you can have a web address, which is the URL. Use your photos, use your Google Drive or Google image search, which is mostly what we've been doing in class. So say you want a unicorn. You can go ahead and find the image of the unicorn and then just click insert. And it will go ahead and put it on top of those cells. You can move it around and do whatever you please with that. There we go. Okay. But maybe you wanted to have that unicorn actually be inside of a square. So that is where you would choose Insert. Well, first, notice where your cursor is. That's where it's going to go ahead and insert your image. Insert, Image, and we're going to go Image in Cell. Same thing, same options. I'm going to pick Google Image Search today. Maybe we want another unicorn. We'll pick a nice simple one because it is going to go within that teeny tiny square. Maybe, you know what? I like this one even better. And I'm going to choose Insert once again. Now notice that teeny tiny square. Let me go ahead and zoom in for you so you can see it really well. Now has that unicorn image inserted inside of that square. So if that's something you want to work with, that's now an option for you. That's how to insert images into your Google Sheet for your Pixel Maze design.